guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Irene. If you're new here, please do subscribe. I'm very grateful for all those who have subscribed. Click that notification bell. Those who have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, like, share, comment, and let's always enjoy these videos. So today it's just how I'll spend my day, because I'm preparing for a road trip somewhere. It's a secret, so it's just a vlog. I'll be doing the vlog to where I'll be going, because seriously I need to go to the salon to do my hair, then I need to get my nails done. Seriously, check this hair. I've taken how many? I've taken 3 years without plaiting hair. So at least maybe I need to try to see a change how I look. So I'll be going to the salon. Then from the salon, I think I'm first going to the doctor, because I need to get a COVID-19 test for me to get where I'm going. From the doctor, then I'll do some shopping for all the things that I want to do. No, that I need for this trip, not what I want to do. So then from there, I have an appointment with then a salon. I'll go salon at around 1. Yeah, at around 1, because that's what that lady has told me. So then I think that's how it will go, right? So let's go. Check. So guys, I've reached the hospital. We're reaching when the doctor is already out. The doctor is already out, so I have to wait. When you need 3 things, that's the problem you get. Anyway, let's wait for the doctor, because I need this test today. If I don't get it today, then seriously I delayed home. I wish I could. I wish I had come earlier. But now I have to wait. I don't know whether he will come back. So guys, I'm here ready for my test. So I'm scared there. Okay guys, how do I look? My hair is now complete, so how do I look? I have taken it like for 3 good days now, 2 good days. And anyway, I'm happy for this change a little bit.